Hello friends, this is Dave of JavaCodeJunkie.com and welcome to another MariaDB video tutorial. In this episode, we're going to download and install a product called DBeaver. DBeaver is a free multi-platform database tool for developers, database administrators, analysts, and anyone who needs to work with a database. It supports all popular databases, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Oracle, DB2, SQL Server, Sybase, MS Access, Teradata, Firebird, Apache Hive, Phoenix, Presto, and many others. So let's open up your favorite browser and search for DBeaver. We'll choose DBeaver Community. That's a free universal database tool. And then we'll click Download. I'm going to download the Community Edition, which, as I previously mentioned, is free to download, free to use. I'm going to download and install the 64-bit Windows installer. We'll just take a moment and we'll open it up as the administrator and install it. We'll click Show in Folder. Right-click on the file, Run as Administrator, and select the language. I'm going to select English. Click OK. And now we get the Welcome to the DBeaver Community setup. Let's click Next to continue. We have to accept the license agreement, so click I agree. I'm going to install for anyone who uses this computer. And a message down below says version 21.0.4 is installed for all users in this folder, and the setup program is going to uninstall that before installing 21.2.3. Now this is only because I currently already have DBeaver installed. You won't see this message if this is the first time that you're installing on your system. So click Next, ensure that the first two options are checked, the DBeaver Community and include Java, and then click Next. And here you get to specify the installation folder. I'm going to leave mine at the default since I wanted to uninstall and reinstall the newer version, essentially doing an upgrade, but you can choose any destination folder that makes sense in your case. Let's click Next. Choosing a Start menu folder, let's click Next again and install. You can also create a desktop shortcut if you'd like. I'll do that. Finish. Let's open up DBeaver. Let's go to the Start menu, DBeaver Community, and DBeaver. Click. And you can also have DBeaver show tips on startup. This is good for new users program. I'm just going to leave it at the default of showing tips on startup and click Close. And because I've previously installed MariaDB, I also have some connections already set up, including our tutorial database. If you don't have that, just right-click on MariaDB and create connection. Click MariaDB, click Next. You'll want to fill in the following properties: localhost, port 3306, which is the default port for MariaDB, and the database we're using is called tutorial, and I'm using the root user, and then you can type in the password. If you've been following along, I've set that up as the word password, Password, and click Finish. Then you should have access to the tutorial database. You would click Finish. I'm going to click Cancel because I already have that set up. So this is all I wanted to cover in today's video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you don't miss any future videos when I release new content. Thanks for hanging out again today. I appreciate it as always, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Until then, please stay safe and keep on coding.